Dear viewers, I welcome you all to a very special occasion because I'm here in Italy, Stresa, Italy, for a special occasion in a pre-ITMA press conference organized by Acimit, the Italian Machinery Manufacturers Association. And this is amazing indeed. They have called up on most of the global media to let them know what the manufacturers or the machine buyers can expect in ITMA, because ITMA we have been waiting for a long time. So today now I have Mr. Alessandro Zucchi, the President Acimit, and also Mr. Federico Pellezzetta, Director Acimit. And thanks for your time in such a busy schedule. Just quickly to ask you what the manufacturers can expect this time in ITMA, especially from the Italian textile machinery manufacturers.
You know, this ITMA is happening right after a dramatic period. We passed through the pandemic, we got the problem with the raw material, then we got the freight cost, then now we have the war. Maybe you are far away, Bangladesh, but in Europe it's just outside the door, so we are really concerned about that. So we have very high expectation. Obviously, we believe and we pray because this war can go over quickly, because the worldwide economy is affected by this war, indirectly and directly as well, to make the people gain more confidence. Certainly with the technology that we are going to show in this exhibition, it will be something interesting for the visitor, for the operator they are coming, because the people normally approach the ITMA in a specific way. No one of us in the last 2 years before ITMA want to disclose whatever new has been developed. So even say, oh, what you have new? Okay, say, yeah, something new, but because really we wait for this occasion to show. So expectation is very high. I'm sure, as I already make in my speech, I'm sure on the side of digitalization, we'll be really surprised. What we can see there is something really amazing.
Bangladesh, including many other countries, we are seeing a huge hike in energy prices, energy costs. So for us, sustainability, once you have been talking about reduction of energy cost and reduction of processing cost is vital. Anything significant we can expect?
During this presentation we made tonight, I really emphasize the chapter of sustainability. Everybody uses sustainability, but really everybody has a different interpretation of the word. Sustainability is something different. It's not just a matter to reduce the consumption of energy, to reduce the pollution. It's a matter of culture. So we have to educate also our people, not only the company, but to achieve a certain level of the way we approach any kind of thing we do daily. We did it first in the world, starting 2010, 2011, to educate our associates. And you see the number we have achieved. Before, during the question and answer, somebody asked about the weaving, the looms machine, how was possible to dramatically reduce up to 84% the consumption of energy. Imagine, when we were talking in the last ITMA 2019, we are using motor with the, let's say, level of performance, it was IE3. Now we are already IE5, IE6. That means now, for instance, the motor itself, they perform 27% more with the same size, even less. So this means that nowadays your machine that is running with 50 kilowatt installed, the same machine tomorrow can run with 30 kilowatt installed, with even better performance. This is the way we have to work in this direction. And it is made mostly by the European manufacturer. Italy is in front of everybody.
I learned that more than 1,600 Italian machines are certified by this green label. Can you just inform a bit more?
Green label has, as I told, educated our associate manufacturer to reduce the consumption of energy, means power, air, steam. But it is not something simple simple that can be as many times we put a label on the machine. The green label is something that time by time, machine by machine, has to be certified. And the third party, in this case RINA, without any advice, show up at the gate of a company and can inspect and check, yes, you follow the rules, you did this, that. You don't get the certification, or you can continue to get it. And each machine has to be certified, even if it's the same. So this is the high level of this certification.
I have seen in technology and innovation, Italian machinery is way ahead in many aspects. And you mentioned about educating in the supply chain. Is there anything for countries like Bangladesh?
Yes, we have a project that is going on since 2 years. I've been many times meeting with our ambassador, in meeting also with our Minister of Education and Minister of the Industry in order to proceed. We already even choose the university where to do this technological center, but the point is just about the bureaucracy. And bureaucracy, when you go to the government level, is become complicated. But in our priority, the next project is really focused exclusively on Bangladesh. I can tell you even more. And the project is focused on the finishing side.
Thank you very much for your time, and see you next time in Dhaka sometimes, okay? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.